welcome back to Kitchen Uproar. Today I have romaine lettuce. We're going to talk about and show you how to cut this thing for your Caesar salads or even for your tacos. It's up to you. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe if you find anything valuable. Now, let's go. And there you guys go, the perfect way to cut romaine lettuce for your next salad. Click here to see my next video on how to caramelize onions that would go amazing on your next salad. Until next time, keep on cooking.